Hey everybody, it's Beth. I had grabbed one of these egg shelf sitters from Dollar Tree and I wanted to remove all the little flowers from the front of it. So I just heated up the glue from the back and then used a putty knife and a razor blade to get them all off. Some were easier to get off than others. It didn't take too long though. Next, I wanted to paint the stand. I took Antique Wax by Waverly and just brushed that on the entire stand and blended it in with a baby wipe. And on those small spots on the sides, I just used a small paintbrush to get in those areas. Next, I took this wall tile that is also from Dollar Tree and I just set it on the little egg shape. I'm trying to get that centerpiece about centered on the egg. So I cut a portion of the tile off from the bottom and then I removed the backing from the tile and kept it in place with some painter's tape so I could trace the egg on the back. To attach it, I'm using Tacky glue. That's from Dollar Tree. And I'll need quite a bit of it to cover the entire egg, so I just used a craft stick to apply a bunch of it to the egg and then brushed it out with a paintbrush. And then attached the tile, just gently pressing it down so I don't mess up any of that textured area. And then go around and cut off any excess tile around the egg. And then take sage color chalk paint and I paint the entire front with 2 coats, the sides and back with just 1 coat. Once the sage paint is dry, I take Cottage white chalk paint in a fan brush and I wipe most of the paint off and then go along kind of at an angle using like the side of the brush to get all of that textured area. And I switched up what I was going to do. Originally I was going to do a bow on the front of it, but I decided to go with the twine flower. So just take some twine and wrap it around my hand. I never really count. It's probably about 10 times, 10 to 15 times, depending on how full you want it. And then pull it off my hand and then wrap some twine around the center of that and cut off the excess, making sure that's nice and tight. And I make 2 of those. And then spread apart the twine pieces and hot glue them one on top of the other, going in opposite directions. For the center of the flower, I make a knot in the twine, and from that knot, I just keep wrapping the twine around that until it's a flat circle, and then take the excess twine, wrap it under the bottom of that circle, and hot glue it down. And then take some twine and wrap it around the egg, hot gluing it in the back. I hot glue down some lamb's ear picks on the left side of the egg, right on top of the twine, and I just hold the flower up just to see how I want the placement of it. And then I also add in a couple pieces of mesh ribbon from Dollar Tree on top of that, just keeping it nice and tight in the center, making a tiny little bow out of that. Hot glue it on top of the lamb's ear, and then I hot glue the twine flower on top of that. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.